Here it is, you guys. Alright, you guys, today's the next day. The Galant is back on the quick jack. I did have a little bit of a freak when I did the oil change. That's why I stopped the camera. I thought there was metal shavings in the oil, which there may have been. My buddy believes it could have been some cast. Oh man, I'm trying to think of what it was. Some casting in the head that is known to break down, I guess. If any of you 4G63 guys want to go over that in the comments, but some kind of casting in the head where people grind it down when they go bigger cams and built motors. We think whatever I had was bits and pieces of that. So oil change is done. I'm going to get under there and I'm going to go ahead and remove the exhaust real quick. And I really need to hurry up because today's Friday now, the 18th, and I need to go get the trailer. I have the reserve on the trailer. So let's go ahead and get under this sucker, take off that exhaust. All right, exhaust is off now. Let's go ahead and start it up. All right, it's gonna be loud. But now I'm going to go run through the tire pressure. I'm going to deflate the tires and then put 30 psi in each tire. I think they're around 35 now, so I'm going to drop the pressure on them. Okay, so I set the tire pressure to 30 psi all around. They all read lower. I don't know how accurate this gauge was, but I put it to 30 according to this gauge that I have for the air compressor. Next, I want to go ahead and reset the coilovers. I think the idea is full stiff in the rear and soft in the front. So I'm going to pop the hood and pop the trunk and take care of that while the Galant's warming up. Well, first, I guess I'm going to go ahead and test the two-step and then turn it off because I got to go get gas. It's kind of low on gas right now. Alright, got the little tool, and it says right there which way is soft and which way is hard. So let's go full soft. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. Now I'm going the right way. Alright. Pretty sure it's already pretty soft as it was. Let's see. Yep, that was one click, so okay. Now let's go to the back. Rears are right under here. There it is. Now we want to go turn it left. Alright guys, it's time for me to go get the trailer. That'll probably be the next video. But the Galant's pretty much ready. I need to just do the catch can still and put in the back seats. So there's still a few little things that I got to do. But let's go get the trailer. I'm super excited. It's going to cost me a good bit, but whatever. I want to make it to this event and streetcar takeover. I want to win some money. So like, subscribe, share, guys. I got to clean up and bolt over to U-Haul and pick up the trailer. So like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys think. I'll end the video of me dropping the car off the quick jack because I'm a big fan of the quick jack. It's been super useful for me.